Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, got one that was sent in by Ferengi of Australia. Thank you so much. And the variety is Migelas from Indonesia. This is Rasa, Baso, Sapi. Baso, aka Bakso. Excuse me. Beef meatballs. And it's a very small serving, which you will see. So watch. There's your noodle block. You drop it in the coffee cup. And you add these. This is spicy and a soup-based powder. But yeah, it's like beef meatball noodle soup. The one I like is the, what is it? Baso telur, which they're like the size of a tennis ball, and inside there's like a soft-boiled egg, no fooling, and it's freaking good. Let me just dump in the water. And we give that 3 minutes. So, yeah. It just fell over. Something did, and it went in there, and I hope it wasn't something that I want. I'm not sure. I bet you that was my spoon, and it went, just flew, literally. Not of my own volition, but of its own volition into the trash can. Yep, sure is. So I believe it will get washed, but where's my fork? Well, I don't know what a fork is, so I'll grab a fork. But yeah, this is like a micro serving of noodle soup. 130 mils of water. It's not much. If you're noticing, yes, this is the Ramen Raider mug, the one and only. And it has the, written incorrectly, the think, and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. It's a quote from Momofuku Ando, the inventor of the instant noodle, but unfortunately, with my way of finding any way to make autocorrect just screw up anything I'm trying to write, it doesn't say beat your brains out. It says neat. When I neat my brains out, that makes 0 sense whatsoever. So I guess I'm just kind of doomed in that respect. It's like I look at it, it's like, dude, I'm swiping away, everything looks just fine, and then I like look back at it, or if I haven't, I should just know to do what I'm supposed to do, but I don't always do it. So then people are like, dude, that doesn't make any sense. What are you trying to say? Are you high or something? I'm like, no, I don't see very well, and I just expect these things to work a little bit better than they tend to. So yeah, yeah, having a good day. Timing is going well. I walked through the Seattle sign, came back, and my wife likes these pickles, right? They're Clausen. You got to get them in the refrigerated section. And they're for sandwich. They're like sliced, and they're kind of ridged, kind of like pinking shears, kind of ridged. And we've got 2 stores. We've got Albertsons and Safeway. Same company owns both. And I was like, you know what? Our freaking Safeway never has them. So I'm going to go to the Albertsons, which is at the next store over. These are not even any remote thought of this being ready to go. Not even. That was 3 minutes. Yeah, this stuff needs a lot more time. I mean, look, it's... So I'm gonna just kind of have to say that that didn't work out so well. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I think what happened is when I initially did the boil, a lot of the liquid escaped through steam because it only takes 130 mils of water. So I'm gonna give that a, oh, my bad. I take responsibility. And I'm just gonna throw it in the spinner, the food spinner, for like 15 seconds or so. Have a bite of tteokbokki. Much better. Okay. So let's give this a taste. Here's like 80% of the serving size. No, it's not that crazy, but it's pretty freaking small. No, that just doesn't work for me. It's just got this kind of artificial flavor that I really don't like, and it's an approximation with what I'm guessing is the seasoning for the beef. And I don't care for it. It just doesn't really, it does not float my boat. It just tastes funky. And I've found varieties a lot of the time will have this, and I just don't go for it. It doesn't do that thing that I like, you know. Spring onion. But that's okay. Can't like them all. And some mung bean sprout. One of those ones that will probably be on a day where I like post two of them because this one isn't going to look so pretty. When that happens, oftentimes I'll just post two in the same day. Like, oh, sorry, that's not fun to look at. Here, okay, here you go. This is more fun to look at. Anyway. Well, that's it. And now I've got an hour and 15 minutes to walk to a store. That literally only takes me like 10. Get some eggs, make it home, clean up a little bit, and grab the kids off the bus. Look at me! Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see, I think I might just get one ready tomorrow. That's gonna be only one. We'll see. But this is something I found during my grocery store outing today. This is Snapdragon Spicy AF Ramen Noodle. The AF means as fuck. So it's spicy as fuck. Kind of surprises me that they're even calling it that, but that's alright. I speak French, so. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.